And I am here with Hiro. We are doing a behind the scenes 24 ounces Hiro. That really expensive. Anyway, he's trying a new type of cooking that's been actually not new, but it's been around since 1799. It's called Sous Vide or Sous Vide, and basically he uses vacuum pack whatever you have and put in hot water and cook it for long periods of time, maintaining a temperature. So right now we're going to maintain a temperature of 120 degrees. Then he's going to go over here and finish it off. But we're excited. I'm excited. This is such a nice piece of meat here. Very good. Now what are we going to eat? We need to eat something with that, no? Just by itself?
With beef?
Yeah, what do we?
You want a rice?
Maybe rice?
I can start cooking.
Is it okay? Thank you so much. I haven't eaten anything really. Well, actually I did, but only so every time I'm coming I'm hungry here. How do you say this name again? People say I'm saying this name wrong.
Koshihikari.
Koshihikari. I thought that's what I'm saying. Koshihikari.
Koshihikari.
Okay.
Koshihikari.
You like rare?
Oh my goodness, I love rare.
Exactly. What do you think? Exactly.
This is this.
You know what I'm gonna do, right?
Salt Bay?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, Hiro. Just want to give everyone a quick look at this beautiful piece of meat. Look at that. Unbelievable. Oh. Ayako, you're not going to eat?
Oh, she has to.
I was telling them that they had lunch already, so too bad. I feel so bad for them. This 24 ounce bone-in New York strip. Oh, some white rice. Oh, goodness, so good.
ご飯も行く？ご飯もやらない。
私、one piece だけで。
Come on.
No, I'm full now.
焼肉のタレもあるよ。
焼肉のタレ。
That's what it looks like here.
ああ、めっちゃレア。
With some white rice.
けどレアみたいだけど、そうでも生のレアじゃないから。
ありがとうございます。
So good.
I like fat. I like this part. Fat?
Yeah, the fat is really good.
あ、骨があってね、これ。いただきます。
It's good.
Alright guys, don't mean to pick it on camera, so thanks for watching. See you soon.